What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys is doing great. In this video I will show you how to design this gym logo on your Android Pixellab app. This video explains step by step how you can make this kind design easily on your Android phone. And if you wanna learn new skills in these graphics, keep on watching this channel.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Without wasting much of our time, let's get started.
Decode graphic skills with creativity.
So this is our Pixellab interface. What we're going to do, the first thing is to set the background size. Come to the size, then pick YouTube banner size. YouTube banner size. Now go to your shapes. Then your radius increase to 100. Your opacity reduce to 0. Then take your stroke to 40. Now use your hand to adjust. Position it to the center. Then after that you can a little bit adjust. Try at least to adjust like this. It's good. So now the next thing to do is to position to the center. So after that, then we have to go to our shapes, then select the shape and crop it like this. Crop it like this. Then position it at the middle, exactly like this. As you can see, so use your hand to crop it, then position it to the center. Give it a black color. Give it black color. Okay. So after that, the next thing to do is to increase the black color. I want it to be darker. Increase it exactly like that. Change the color of the circle as well. Give it black color, then make it darker by moving your after that you can adjust this, reduce a little bit, then position to the center. So now that we're able to do that, then let's move ahead by cut out some parts. Pick your shapes and adjust, crop it to look like a line, exactly like this. Crop it exactly like this. So after that, use your relative position to center it, then crop another one, take another shape, then position it here to cut out the mouth, then we'll cut out the middle as well at the same time. So after we're able to do that, then the next thing we're going to do is to merge. Go to the merge, then merge it together. Don't merge the circle together with it. Now go to your erase color. Go to the erase color. Then enable the erase color. Yes, it has cut it out. Then the next thing to do is to increase the tolerance for the white edge to be erased. So after that, the next thing to do is to go to your mask and cut out some parts. So when you click that mask, you will reduce the size of the mask. Click OK, then click that rotate it. When you click on rotate, mark it after you rotate it well. Rotate it. So then click that arrow for you to be able to move it. That four corner arrow, then move it. We want to cut out some part and we have to make sure that the mouth is closed to form letter G. Remember our objective, we want to design a gym logo. So we have to be extraordinary patient here by cutting it out to make it look more real. Can you see? Can you see? So we have to, so you use your two hands, you see, continue moving it like that. So cut it out. So we are still making a little mistakes. Still move it, move the left key, move it up, raise it a little bit like this. Move it down, move it down. Exactly like this. Good. Good. So let's see how it look like that. It's okay. Let's use the rotation, the movement or position to adjust the rest. So move it, then the mouth has to be closed. So move it back. Use your relative, the position. Use the position to move it. Let's go to position. Position. So now move it back so that the mouth, the edge, will be rhyme with the center so that it will form letter G. So as you can see, we are able to do that. You can still move a little bit. I think it's okay like this. Good. So the next thing that we're going to do, we haven't finished. We have to lock the two. Then go to your shapes. So we have to go to the shapes now. Then crop your shapes exactly like this. Crops your shape. Crop it. So we want to form gym. Position it here, then move it. Move it. Move it exactly like this. So after that, position it to the center using your relative position. So after done that, then copy. Click on the shapes, then copy it, position and reduce. So you have to move it faster. Then go to your relative size. Turn on the enable, turn it off, then you use your hand to reduce the height. Since the height, we don't want it to be the same size. Then after done that, then position it well, move it closer. So after that, copy, then position it to make it three shapes. So move it. Then you go to your relative size, reduce the height. Don't forget to turn off the enable so that it will not adjust automatically. So reduce it and let's see. So good. We're almost there. So we have to use our position to adjust so that the space in between each of those shapes will not be too much. It will be uniform. So I think it's okay. It's almost okay like this. So we can reduce this, turn off the enable, then reduce, then relative position to center, then the third one, reduce that one a little bit, turn off the enable, then reduce where gap is okay like this. So we're almost there. Good. So I want to still readjust. Wait, may readjust a little bit. 7 is okay. Now use your relative position to make it center. Now after getting this, the next thing to do is to move it and make sure that the space in between each of these three tests shapes, they are uniform. You're getting it? Make sure they are uniform. So move it exactly like this. Yeah, good. Now let's merge the three together. By come to our layer, then we copy. We have to copy it. After position to the center, make sure we copy, merge, then it's already centered. So now what we are going to do is to go to copy, then rotation, then move it closer so that it will be uniform. It will run. Good. Use your relative position to position it to the center very well. So after we're able to do that, so we have to form a little shape because we want to cut the middle to the edge of that circle as well. We want it to affect that circle. So position it to the center very well. Reduce the opacity to see it clearly so that it will not cut any of the parts, the body of the already placed shape. So after that, then we can merge it together. Then use your erase color. Sorry, we made mistake sheet. So reselect, don't select the white handle that will first form. Otherwise, to cut them out. Remember, they are all white. Now it has a first sheet. It already cut out some part here, so we have to readjust, reduce it a little bit. Good. So we're able to position it well. So now merge it together. Don't merge the edge, merge the line and the body together, the circle. So now enable good. So we're able to form it. So after you are able to do that, then the next thing to do now is to merge the three together and give it the same color, uniform color. So after that, go to your color, then enable the color. I decided I want to give it color black. So good. Then you click the plus button and increase the top so that it will be more darker. Fine. After that, reduce the size and position to the center using your relative position. Then after that, we have to determine our background. We want to use white background. Good. Now we haven't finished. We want to make it look more real. We need a customized background. So I have already made image. Where I will position at the center as a kind of a watermark. So let's look for it. I have it on my gallery. So let's look for it. Good, I've seen it. Good. So click on it and increase the size. Lock it with that one, increase the size. Then position it at the middle. Position it well, exactly like this. Position it exactly like this. Can reduce, adjust it. Adjust. Then position to the centered. Then move it back. Go to your opacity. After moving back, let me check whether it's positioned very well. Let me see. Position is still much, it's too much. Good. So now move it a little bit. Good. Reduce the opacity to your own desire. Reduce it to your desire, but let it be customized as watermark. It won't be too much obvious and it won't be too much fade. Good. Good. I think it's okay like this. It's okay. Check 20. Yeah, it's okay. So now the next thing to do is to apply a little shadow. Let's match. Let's give it a shadow first. Increase the shadow and reduce your shadow. Reduce the blur radius. Plus sign. Reduce your shadow to transparent like this, so that it won't even really show. So let's pick an ash color. Ash, then reduce. Ash, but ash as a color of the shadow. I want it to be realistic. Then save. Saved. Thank you for watching. God bless you.